Simplify your invoice management with Pryme AP Automation. Ready to eliminate manual work, reduce errors, and speed up approvals, all within Microsoft Business Central. The assisted setup launches automatically when you install the app from AppSource. You can also open the wizard by searching for Assisted Setup. Select Set up Pryme AP Automation. If you already have an email account set up, the system will proceed directly. Otherwise, you'll be guided to the email account configuration page. Information from the Business Central company profile, such as contact name or email, is autofilled and can be updated if needed. Click Next to proceed to the Pryme AP Automation password setup. To meet Microsoft Business Central security requirements, you'll need to set a password for the service by entering it 3 times. Congratulations, your account has now been created. The summary screen displays the email address to send purchase documents to, a link to online documentation, and support contact information. You'll also receive a welcome email containing the same details to help you get started. From the email, you have links to both the online documentation and video tutorials. Let's explore the Role Center and the new tiles. Each pair of tiles represents a stage in the workflow. Here's how it works. When an invoice is sent to the designated email address for purchase documents, the system processes it automatically and creates a new incoming document. If the document cannot be processed successfully, it appears in the Failed Incoming Documents tile, where it may require manual review or correction. For successfully processed documents, a corresponding purchase invoice or credit memo is automatically created and displayed in the appropriate tile. Once reviewed and sent for approval, the document progresses to the Purchase Documents Pending Approval tile, where it awaits action by the approver. Approvers can easily access these documents directly from their Role Center. After approval or rejection, the document moves to either the Purchase Documents Rejected tile, allowing you to review and resolve any issues, or the Purchase Documents Approved tile, indicating it is ready for posting. This final step marks the completion of the workflow. This left-to-right progression across the tiles provides a clear visual representation of a document's status at every stage of the approval process. And that's it. Now it's time to configure your Pryme AP Automation. Ready to simplify your accounts payable process? Let's automate smarter with Pryme.